Are you experiencing audio sync problems while streaming NBA games? This issue can ruin your viewing experience. In this tutorial, we will guide you to fix audio sync issues. Our goal is for you to enjoy seamless audio while watching basketball games. First, identify the source of the problem. Check if it's from your streaming device or internet connection. You can test another device with the same stream. Next, restart your streaming device. Simply unplug it for 10 seconds. Then, plug it back in and turn it on. If the issue persists, look into your internet speed. Run a speed test and check if it's stable. A lower speed can affect audio sync. Another step is to update your streaming app. Ensure you have the latest version installed. This can fix glitches and improve performance. If issues continue, consider adjusting audio settings. Look for audio delay settings in your app. Use a delay feature to synchronize audio with video. Finally, check if your HDMI cable is functioning. Sometimes, a faulty cable can lead to sync issues. Try replacing it to see if it helps. To summarize, check your device, restart it, test your internet, update apps, adjust settings, and verify your cables. Now you can enjoy NBA games without audio sync problems. Apply these steps and enhance your streaming experience.